this pose.
Exhale through your nose.
Oh, my nose is stuffy though.
Nice balance. Feel your hips working.
You know,
They're working. I feel it. They're working.
Now, return to your original position.
It's hard.
Let's work on your hips.
Oh, okay. No, not my butt. Okay.
Make sure you're staying in line with your position.
you want to see something really hard?
Yeah, this is it.
But he doesn't really have to do it really hard.
We'll go up.
Thighs and hips.
Come on, Challenge.
Get up, get up, get up.
Exhale through your nose.
Oh my gosh, just
Keep it up.
Stay up.
Doing the warrior pose regularly can tone your thighs and hips.
I didn't cut.
You stuck on this side.
you're done.
Next, let's do something else.
Original position.
Yeah, I want Jamie to see the hard one. Look
Well
here.
done.
What's the hard one?
Every day to
It's really hard.
Okay, do it. Okay.
You
It's
know
on.
the last one you always have to do?
What?
You have to stand on your shoulders.
Yo, why what?
You have to stand on your shoulders.
The weight you're putting on
Oh,
your
no
feet
thanks.
at the moment is
And then you don't have to do it.
Who's first?
My brother.
Do you want?
dang.
Do you want to include my hair and my feet on the thing? So I don't
No,
know.
at first oh, whoops.
No, I'm not banging my butt.
See?
No.
No.
No, I can't do this.
No, you don't have to do it.
Okay,
Have fun, but don't strain yourself.
you're doing it.
No, you don't have to do it.
shoulder stand pose.
Shoulder stand.
This pose.
Ready? Look. Look how
Let's
funny.
begin.
You won't need it.
It's best to do this pose on a soft surface like a yoga mat.
You got your carpet.
Look, it's so funny.
A rug.
Oh my gosh. This is scary.
Is that funny?
Lie down face up and place your